Check out today's APA and Windows hack. Today we're going to take a look at an efficient way to copy and paste a lot of information. When we have a lot of repetitive information that we need to place in different ways, in different manner within a form or on a document, it's a little bit tedious to go back and forth from one document to another tab, from one tab to another tab, back and forth, back and forth. There's an easier way to do that. Now, let's say that we've got a form like this one, and we've got several things that we have to enter individually, full name, address, and so on. So let's copy and paste the information into the form that we already have in another document. We're just going to copy the way we normally do, but we're not going to toggle back to the form just yet. We're going to select the next bit of information, there it is, and we're going to copy that just the same way. We're going to get the city, the state, the zip or postal code, there's the email address, and so on. Now, we've got all this information, but where is it? That's where this trick comes in. Use the Windows key, which is near the Control key, push that and push the V. And what you're going to get is a buffer full of information that we have just copied. And here we go. We're going to Control V. We're going to copy the information. Here's the address, Control V. We scroll down to the address, add that, Control V. There's Mount Vernon. There's the state. There's the zip, and so on. This is also an effective tool if you have to copy and paste discrete elements of a bit of connected text, like this reference entry from APA. Instead of copying and pasting these into a form like an annual faculty review or something like this, just grab the discrete bits of information like this, copy that, copy that, copy out the title, and so on. And now when we push the Windows key V, there's the information, all in discrete bits of information that we can paste as we need it into a form or other document. Thanks for watching.